So guys, we are inside our sample project. Now to apply ghost trail effect, select the PIP layer, photos, import the same video, select fill to cover the full screen, look for speed, select custom option, select the middle points and delete them by tapping on this button. Now slowly move the first point up or down and let go when you see the speed 0.95. Same goes for the second point. Confirm it. Look for opacity. Reduce it to 50%. Let's see what we have. So we already have our ghost trail effect. Now suppose we want to apply ghost trail effect after this point. Tap on this button to place a keyframe. Move back a little bit so that we can gradually apply the effect. Go to opacity, bring it down to 0. Now go to the end point, same, place a keyframe, move forward a little bit, opacity, reduce it to 0 for fade out. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.